Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones Philips. So to call voice assistant, at the right ear cup near to the power button we have a button with the microphone logo, and you need to press one time at this button. Let's do this. So I press one time, and as you can see I just call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. And that's it. We have no options to customize it in the application. We have nothing about touch controls. I mean, we can disable them, but we cannot change these touch controls. The same situation if we go to the main menu right here, no information about customize control. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!